Welcome to the MSMA workshop by Dr. Quack. You can download this file in PDF format at this URL. There's no need for you to copy anything. You just go into your browser and type this URL and you will get the presentation slide in PDF format. There are 4 workshops in MSMA. Workshop A is the MSMA 2 Compliance and OSD Design Workshop. Workshop B is on Detention Basin Design. Workshop C is on Erosion and Sediment Control Plan or ESCP. Workshop D is on Hydrologic and Hydraulic Modeling using HEC-HMS and HEC-RAS software. Details of the workshop can be found at this URL. Next, we go through the benefit of attending the workshops. 1. You receive practical hands-on training using spreadsheet template and real case studies. 2. Workshop is conducted by a trainer, myself, Dr. Quack, with 3 decades of experience as a consultant in drainage design and hydrology. 3. Compliance with the authorities' requirements on MSMA. 4. Learn to optimize your drainage design while complying with MSMA. 5. Receive valuable spreadsheet template which you can bring back for your work. 6. You receive bonuses including spreadsheet template, software, and resource material on MSMA. 7. Free sign out of MSMAware free version. 8. Lifetime access to a gDrive share folder to download resource material, work example, tools, and spreadsheets on MSMA. 9. Sign up for a Facebook page. Like it and you will receive future posts on MSMA. New material will be uploaded to the share folder at regular interval. This will be announced on Facebook page or via emails. 11. Workshop is accredited by BEM and gain up to 17 CPD hours per day for your PE renewal. 12. Workshop is accredited by HRD Corp and are claimable from HRD Corp. How to request access? You need to complete the request form. You will receive an email which you need to confirm your request. After approval by the admin, you will be able to access the workshop gDrive share folder with all the resource material and the bonus material. So go and complete your request now. The URL, you can request it from your trainer. How to sign up for workshop? You go and download the brochure, complete the registration form, and email back to us. All the details, the prices, everything are on the brochure. You can contact us by email, you can call or WhatsApp us, or you can check our Facebook page at this URL. Thank you very much and see you at the next workshop.